There's a fire down there happening. You see the smoke? Rescue ones respond. You see it? Back up! Don't go! Yeah.
Yeah. Right there.
Hey.
Get this home. Right there.
We got a box going down. It's happening down the street. You see the smoke, guys? Guys, so we got a fire happening down at Fun Yard. I'm gonna try to get a cab to go over there.
And he knocked the pump over and he jumped out and left the door open and the whole car just went poof. Yeah.
What box number is this?
I forgot.
Is the officer Art?
I think so. I think he.
Officer hauled ass the other way. Just made my car on fire. I ain't finna die.
Yeah.
I say Sandy's ass. You know that?
What's up there?
Alright, new battalion 3T leaving. Alright, Chief. Yeah. You got Temple.
And his light's still going. Like, how is that even possible?
Temple University unmarked squad car.
Medic.
So the cops is nowhere to be found.
Unless they took him to the.
They probably took him to the
When they do with the water.
I'm gonna take a cab.
Yeah, that's what I thought too, but.
Well, Temple car number 1 unit 176 is now out of service completely.
That's Temple.
Get a Dodge Charger for that, John. Don't get a Crown Vic.
He knocked it over.
He crashed into it.
Crashed into it. Well, then the cell phone crashed into it. The thing fell in.
That car hit it or the one he moved over? That one. The police car, he backed into it. And, what happened was, cop was half-assing on the job as usual. Was talking on his phone and shit like that. He heard the gas tank start making a hissing noise, and he jumped the hell out, and boom, the whole fucking car went off. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yo, that tow truck responded.
That's Louis right there.
What Louis?
Right there with the gray hoodie. He an Amtrak cop.
Oh.
It's 24A.
Where?
Over there at the gate.
Over here. He just got out the car.
Oh no.
Sergeant's 6ABC on scene.
He was there.
Yeah, 6ABC.